Okay, I'll start this by first showing I did trace the throttle wires back to the 9-pin controller harness here. Green, yellow, brown, and purple there. And if you're looking at it from the front with this connector, this holder hook on the bottom, they are the bottom three connectors. So green, yellow is at bottom left, brown, bottom middle, and purple, bottom right. Okay, quick question for our X-9000 EBMX experts doing the Domino throttle wiring connection. And my harness, which I purchased new at the end of 2023, colors are completely different than shown on wiring harness diagrams and other ones people had. I did find a video where someone was doing a Domino connection to the stock Suron. So I'll try to do this as quick as possible. On the Domino, there are three active wires: are light blue, which is +5, black, which is your signal wire, and white, which is your ground. Here, this is our throttle wire connection to the stock throttle, this 3-pin female. And I refer to, if you're looking at the triangle with this hook thing on the bottom, I'll say this is the top, left and the right, looking at the triangle. And again, this is the female throttle side connection. So, the video I found where the guy did 2 years ago, his wiring, his connections, wires going to the throttle, he had, and on the top I wrote the old colors, he had black, red, and green. And if you're looking at the triangle like that way, it goes top black, left bottom red, right bottom green. And his connections, and then I kind of back figured out what they are to the Domino, where on his black it goes to white Domino, that's ground, so this top is ground. On his red, on the old harness, it goes to the Domino blue, which is +5, so bottom left here, bottom left is +5. And then on his green, that goes over here to the Domino black, which is signal. So bottom right is signal. My question is, using my new wire colors that I have, this is actually brown on the harness side. So I have purple, you can see I wrote on there, top, center, left bottom is green, yellow, and bottom right is brown. So again, it should be, I should have, equivalent. Purple should be ground, green, yellow should be +5, and brown should be signal. But I just want to make sure that those are correct before I hook everything up and fry my X-9000. So is it correct? Not so much talking about the colors. Well, the colors obviously are important, but in general, is on this 3-pin going to the throttle, is the top one ground, the bottom left your +5, and the bottom right signal. Is that correct? And then where I showed those wires going to the controller, the 9-pin harness that's going to go to the X-9000, are those positions on the bottom, left, center, and right, are those the correct throttle wire positions going to the X-9000? And is it the correct wire going? I couldn't find a diagram showing the 9-pin pinout for the X-9000. So is it the correct layout that I have set up here that I showed on there?